Here's how to change the language in Gemini AI app. Maybe Gemini is in a language that you don't understand, or maybe you just prefer a different language. Either way, I'll show you how to change it. So don't worry if you can't understand the current language, I'll guide you through the steps. So open the Gemini application on your mobile device first and log into your specific account. Then after, tap on your profile picture icon from the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and go to Settings. Then after, go to Languages, that is between Caption Preferences and Talk to Gemini hands-free. Here's the main language has been set to English, and if you want to add other languages or the main language has been set to any other language, go ahead, tap on this arrow button over here. Then after, scroll down and search for the language that you prefer. Otherwise, you can also tap on the search icon in the top right corner of your screen and search for the specific language that you want to set. Let's go ahead and select Spanish and then select Restart Gemini and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.